In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to separate your personal and business finances using Monarch Money. Whether you're a small business owner or just someone looking to streamline your financial management, it's important to keep these accounts distinct. This ensures clearer accounting and can save you time and headaches down the road. So let's dive right in. First, start by heading to the Monarch Money website. Once you're there, navigate to the Accounts section. This is your central hub for managing all your financial accounts within Monarch. If you've already set up your personal account, great. This will serve as the foundation upon which we'll add your business account. With your personal account visible, the next step is to add a new account specifically for your business. You can do this by finding the Add Account button. Clicking on this option allows you to begin the separation process by designating certain accounts for business purposes. At this stage, Monarch Money offers you the flexibility to connect existing bank accounts and credit cards. If your business has separate financial accounts at a bank, you can link these directly here. It's a good habit to ensure all business transactions are funneled through these accounts for easy tracking and reporting. But say you don't have separate business accounts or prefer not to link them directly. No problem, Monarch has you covered. Click on the option to add a manual account instead. This is a great way to keep a record of business finances without needing direct bank integration, ensuring you maintain control over what information is inputted. For demonstration purposes, we will add a manual account specifically for business investments. Select Investment as the account type. This step involves typing in the name of your investment. Choose a descriptive name that makes the account easy to identify later. Maybe something like Business Operations Fund or Marketing Budget. After naming the account, you'll need to fill in the pertinent account details. Things like account balance, interest rate, or any other relevant information. Don't worry if not everything applies to you. Just focus on the data that matters for your business tracking. And that's it. You've successfully separated your personal and business accounts in Monarch Money. Now you can enjoy a clearer view of both your personal and business finances, making it easier to budget, plan, and assess your financial health. Remember, keeping your finances organized is an ongoing process, so feel free to repeat or adjust these steps as necessary. Thanks for watching, and happy managing.